Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our PHP lecture. Today we are going to deal with practical number 4 of PHP. We have completed the practicals. Today we are going to deal with a new practical of PHP. The question for the practical is, write a PHP program to perform following operations on an associative array. That means we are going to deal with a program of PHP which we are going to perform an operations on associative array. We have done with associative array in our lecture. Today we are going to form a program on it. In this, the very first thing is display elements of an array along with their keys. Display elements of an array along with their keys. That means the first thing we are going to deal with is displaying of a element of an array. Okay. Next is display the size of an array. That means what size of an array we have defined. We are going to show the size of an array. Then delete an element. That means we are going to delete some element from it, from an array. That is, we are going to delete an element from an array from the given index. Whatever index is given, we are going to delete an element from that array. Okay. Let us start with the program. File name given is index.php. Can you see? Every time we save our file with .php extension. So your file name is saved with a file as index and extension is .php. Okay. Starting with it, PHP tags opens. PHP tag opens. Display elements of an array. This is the command. In this command, we are going to just see the command, whatever it may be. Display the elements of an array along with their key. That means very first thing we are going to sort. We are going to display an element of an array along with their keys. Let us start with it. For this, we have pass a variable. Variable name is age. $age. Okay, we have passed an element, that means a variable $age. In this age we have stored an array. Okay, 3 values has been stored. Array values, 3 values has been stored. The very first is double inverted comma open Ramesh, double inverted comma close, equals to 51. We know this is a declaration of an array, first value of an array element. Okay, Ramesh is given as a 51. See, inside double inverted comma. After is comma. Second is Rakesh. Double inverted commas open. Rakesh is equals to double inverted comma 32. First value is Ramesh 51. Rakesh 32 comma. Third is Rahul equal to 23. Inverted comma complete. Bracket complete. That is array is completed. 3 values have been given over here and semicolon is completed. Okay. Let's see. For each loop has been used over here. Now every time we know whenever you are going to use array and we are going to use a loop, we use a for each loop. Okay. For each $age as $x. Now new variable has been assigned over here, variable x. Okay. That means inside our $age as we are passing $x variable, which is equals to $x underscore value. It will be using a $x underscore value. The very first thing is echo printing. We are going to print our statement. Echo key is equals to, this is going to print over there. Key is, that means we are going to display element of an array along with their keys. Okay, so we have used echo statement to print it. Now keys is equals to, the key is equals to will be directly printed on the screen. Double comma complete. Dot is a concatenation operator along with $x, whatever value you are stored over here for each loop, $x will be going to show over there. Then again concatenation operator dot inside double inverted comma, okay, double comma value is equals to, now your values along with the value we are passing now, so the values is equals to $x underscore value. Now understood this line of code, the $x is equals to underscore value. Now for key is equals to $x and value is equals to $x is the underscore value, okay. Now printing that variable, okay, echo br. What is this br? For coming to the next line, okay, that means it is going to pass all the 3 edges for each loop, okay, for each loop is going to pass through it. Now next line is going to print over here, okay, for each loop has been completed. Now next is display the size of an array. Another thing, display the size of an array here, which is going to our second question. Display the size of an array. So how we are going to deal with display the size of an array? That is echo printing, again printing br. Why br? New line. Size of an array is, this size of an array is just a printing purpose, okay, is. Now what is the size? You are going to pass it over here, count age. Now your dot is your concatenation operator and count is your method which will count your size of an array. Which size array? Age. $age we have passed over the variable, so it will be going to count and it will going to print over there. Clear? Display the size of an array, that is echo br, size of the array is going to print over there, and using count method we are going to deal with the concatenation operator we have used count age, okay. Complete br for next line, semicolon. Now next part, delete an element from an array from the given index. We are going to delete an element from an array from the given index. Whatever index is given, we are going to delete that array values, okay. Clear it? Delete an element from an array from the given index. Next is data. Now we have taken a data as a variable in which we have given is equals to array 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 array has been given over here, 5 values, okay, semicolon. For I is equals to 0, I less than count, that is your data value is going to count over there, semicolon, I plus, okay. Then inside for loop you are going to pass echo data. Directly we are going to pass your echo data. Understood this? Data is I. Clear? This is pass in a echo statement. Next is unset data value 1. If it is unset data value 1, then what is going to pass over there? Echo. Now unset data 1, echo elements after deleting. It means unset means it's going to delete your data. So whatever data you are going to pass over here, going to delete over there. Echo elements after deleting data is for I equals to 0, okay, I less than count dollar data I plus echo data I. Let us see the output over here. So the first key is equals to Ramesh, value is equals to 51 has been given over there. So key is equals to Rakesh, value is equal to 32, and key is equal to Rahul, value is equal to 23. Size of an array is 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, your element has been given over here. Elements after deleting, after the element has been deleted, it is given 1, 3, 4, 5, okay. This is the practical number. Okay, write a PHP program to perform following operations. So we have done 3 operations. First we are displaying the elements of an array along with their keys. Then we have displayed the size of an array. That is, size of an array was 3, okay. And next was delete an element from an array with a given index. Whatever index has been given, we have to delete. So 3 are the practical number of PHP. Clear? Next time we are going to deal with another practical, what we are going to done with our board practical examinations. Okay, whatever it may be a PHP practicals. There are very few practicals given in the board. Okay, so we are going to deal with that practicals. Okay, clear it? Let us, by the time practice your practical at home, don't be so hurry, don't be so panic. It is very easy practicals. It will be coming in your board examination point of view. Clear, students? Thank you.